Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 dining chairs available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best dining chairs. The 5th product on our list is the YAHEETECH Velvet. If you're looking for a modern living room dining chair for your home, the YAHEETECH Velvet might just be for you. As their name suggests, it has a plush velvet fabric cover, comfortable foam padding, and sturdy metal legs. The soft cushion featured on this product is filled with high-density foam that's comfortable while remaining non-deformable. The enduring high-quality materials and durable structure of this chair set ensure a long lifespan. Furthermore, every leg on these chairs has a screw-in protective pad. Not only does this protect your easily scratched wooden floors, but it also means if put on uneven ground, these foot pads can be adjusted to keep them stable. It's as simple as screwing the foot pads up and down to your desired height. This chair will fit your home, no matter what style you usually go for. They come in a natural color with a sleek appearance that will match your furniture and home decor effortlessly. The diamond pattern in the backrest and the delicate stitching interior also make these velvet dining chairs charming but not tacky. Although some assembly is required with these chairs, you don't have to worry too much. It is easy, requiring you to only attach the legs to the seat using matching metal accessories. There are even clear illustrated instructions to guide you through the assembly. Finally, you can feel free to contact the customer service lines for further support if you have any problems or questions with this product. Its pros are: it has a neutral look to suit any home. It's made from durable, comfortable materials. And it has practical, adjustable feet. However, its arms are fixed and relatively high, so it may not fit under some dining tables. The YAHEETECH Velvet adds a touch of class to any home. These supportive dining chairs are perfect for anyone with uneven or easily scratched floors. Up next in 4th place is the Christopher Knight Taylor. Everyone needs a comfortable and sophisticated chair to fit their dining room or kitchen area. These ones from Christopher Knight Taylor fit that requirement perfectly. Upholstered in fine, either marbled gray, chocolate brown, ivory, beige, or blue bonded leather, this well-constructed chair will last you a lifetime. The tough leather material is easy to care for, as it can be quickly wiped down with no harm done should anything be spilled on it. With a bit of wax treatment to prevent cracking, this chair will probably outlast your house. What's more, with a button-tufted backrest for extra elegance, you don't have to worry about this dining chair not suiting your home decor. This product is sturdily built with a solid hardwood frame and legs capable of easily supporting a 300-pound adult without issue. Furthermore, much like other products on our list, this dining chair has plastic foot caps on the bottom of each leg to help prevent any scratching on surfaces, so feel free to place it anywhere in your home. This chair is also comfortable. The thick foam padding both on the seat and backrest makes entertaining guests that much easier, as no one will feel like moving once seated on your stylish Christopher Knight Taylor dining chairs. Lastly, the high-quality construction and easy assembly make this product a must-have for any home. Its pros are: it's available in a range of styles, it's got a high-quality build, and it is comfortable enough for long-lasting dinner parties. However, you need to be careful not to tighten the bolts too much during assembly, as it will crack the legs. The Christopher Knight Taylor dining chairs are great-looking and suitable for anyone who wants a long-lasting, stylish addition to their home. Still haven't found a dining chair that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Ball & Cast Factory. Regardless of what you need them for, Ball & Cast have a versatile set of dining chairs that will be perfect for you. With 6 different colors and styles, you'll easily be able to find a look that suits your home, whether it's in the dining room, office, waiting room, hallway, living room, for extra party seating, or even for a formal dinner. These chairs have the quality you need. Made with highly durable materials, the sturdy steel legs have a highly stable design, reducing the risk of them accidentally falling over even on uneven surfaces. This metal construction also goes a long way to increasing the overall longevity of the product. Furthermore, the two front legs on this chair have fully height-adjustable pads that work to compensate for any unevenness you may encounter that isn't solved through its sheer stability of the design. With incredibly easy-to-follow instructions and all the hardware you need included, this dining set can be put together effortlessly in no time at all. What's more, this attractive, modern dining chair, with its high back and comfortable foam padded cushions, maximizes your comfort by conforming to the shape of your body to bring you a more ergonomic and supportive seating experience. Lastly, with a height of 19.25 inches and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this chair can seat anyone at any dining table without hassle. Its pros are: it has a very versatile design, it has a sturdy metal frame construction, and its comfortable, supportive back is excellent for long-term use. However, if you intend to use these chairs for large functions, be aware that they cannot be stacked for transport. The ball and cast factory dining chairs are reliable and functional, ideal for anyone who regularly hosts large dinners in different environments. The second product on our list is the Roundhill Furniture Habit. Add a touch of sophistication into your home with the Roundhill Furniture Habit Solid Wood Tufted Parsons Dining Chair Set. With this soft, cushioned chair, you'll have a remarkably designed piece of furniture with a classy tufted back and well-cushioned seat that effectively brings you ultimate comfort to luxuriate in. This chair is built to last. This chair is made of linen-look fabric stretched on a durable solid wood frame with a comfortable, thick cushioned seat. Boosting its style is the range of 6 different colored upholstery options: tan, charcoal, purple, blue, gray, and yellow, which can seamlessly fit any decor or even highlight and add a touch of flair to a more natural room. Additionally, the stylish whitewashed finished wood legs complement the chair's eye-pleasing hue and modern styling, so your guests will be convinced you must have an interior designer. Moreover, the back of this chair features thick, supportive cushions for your comfort, providing the ultimate seating experience for your guests. Meanwhile, the matching elegant rollback top and deep button tufting feature on the chair adds further comfort and accents the whole look. The strong, solid wood legs match any style while being practical and long-lasting. Lastly, each of these easy-to-assemble chairs weighs just 18 pounds, making them effortless to move about the house and position anywhere you desire. Its pros are: it's an incredibly stylish-looking set of dining chairs. It has many options in design and color to suit any room, and its durable build and light weight make it perfect for a busy home. However, its fabric upholstery is absorbent and difficult to clean. The Roundhill Furniture Habit dining chair brings a modern touch to a traditional design. It's suited to anyone wanting quality seating in a more formal dining room. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top dining chair is the SIMPLIHOME Lowell. If you're looking to add a sleek, mid-century bit of style to your home, then the Lowell Bentwood dining chair is probably your best bet. With this product, comfort comes easy thanks to its specially designed ergonomic curved back and seat. This holds you securely while supporting your lower back so you can rest easily and comfortably. When it comes to style, the Bentwood frame with its natural walnut finish and choice of charcoal gray, acid green, blue, or light gray upholstery complements any formal or casual living space to create a one-of-a-kind look you can be proud of. Not only is it stylish, but the high-quality construction of each piece means it's hard-wearing, long-lasting, and hard to beat. No matter how big or small your family is or how many guests you have, these dining chairs will last the distance while still looking as good as the day you bought them. Moreover, this product is incredibly quick and easy to assemble. With clear instructions, you'll have stylish, premium quality chairs ready to use in a matter of minutes. Additionally, this set can fit in with any other furniture with no problem, thanks to its compact size. Finally, this product comes with a 1-year warranty and easy returns if you are not satisfied, so there's really no reason not to try it out. Its pros are: it's compact and well designed. It has multiple upholstery options to suit your home decor, and it comes with a full year's warranty. However, it lacks upper back support, which could be uncomfortable after a while. The SIMPLIHOME Lowell gives a unique look to any home and is recommended for those looking for both reliability and style when it comes to dining chairs. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.